In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay at Walmart online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use your Afterpay balance to buy now and pay later on Walmart. Usually, this process will always be done through the latest version of the Afterpay mobile app. While it is still possible for you to use Afterpay on Walmart, keep in mind that Walmart appears periodically on the latest version of their mobile app. So when you open the application and you browse through the stores or retailers where you can use Afterpay, you should be able to find Walmart. If you don't see it on the home screen, use the search function and look for it. Like I said, you will only be able to use Afterpay on Walmart if you find it among the options. If you don't, it means that it is unavailable at this current period and you will not be able to use it there as a payment method. Once you actually find Walmart, tap on it and this will redirect you into the Walmart website where you can browse through various items. So add items to your cart or basket, and once you have everything that you would like to purchase using Afterpay, you just have to proceed to checkout. By proceeding to checkout, usually Afterpay will give you a pop-up with the option to generate a card, or alternatively, it is going to be listed directly on the payment options and you will be able to sign in using your Afterpay account. Regardless of how it appears, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions to get the checkout process done. Once the checkout process is done, the purchase will be attributed to your Afterpay account, and you can manage the installments when you go over to your account purchase history. You will be able to manage the payments there, and you just have to make sure that you are using the mobile app to browse through Walmart. If you want to do it in store, you will have to acquire an Afterpay card and register it to a digital wallet, and this isn't always going to be an option, so keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay at Walmart online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.